Tape the whole thing. It should have enough battery. Alright. Which one is the easiest? Which one good for Americans? She has no idea what I'm saying right now. That's good.
It is good, yeah. She's gonna give you just...
Okay, hold on. Okay, can I have one?
She's just not listening to you. How much? 10 baht.
It's worth it. You feel like crap for the rest of the night. Let's see. There's 20. Which one's easy? I think small one, maybe. It's easy? It's okay? I like that one. That's too big. I'm not doing that one. No. Just one. I just want one. Yeah. That's a little one. I like this guy. It's not, is it hot? Like, no, she has no idea what I'm saying. I'm just gonna eat it anyway. Get the water ready. See if it tastes like chicken. It really don't taste like anything, to be honest with you. It's like eating popcorn. It's good. It really is. I swear to God. You should try one.
No.
Really not much to it. Go close up on the guys. Yeah. It's delicious. From the one there was no way you couldn't pay me to eat that one. Yeah. Definitely no.
No thanks.
But I said I would do it, and I did it, and that's it.